yung mga bags natin?
Ay, sorry. Gusto mo ba magpaliwan?
So, those products are...
Yes, pagkatapos po sa inyo naman. Yeah, ipipicture natin.
So, those products were originally from the Philippines.
Yes.
Yeah, so we have here like the trending skincare, which is this one is the Abony lotion made in Thailand actually, but it's you know, like Filipino like whitening lotion. And then this one is like beauty soap.
Okay.
So those pack comes with like 5 soap. And then yeah, the other products there is sunscreen.
Sunscreen?
Yeah, sunscreen. Is, you know, like
So can you explain again the difference of this pink one and then this one?
sure. So for this one, it's SPF 50.
Okay.
And I think that one, it's the same SPF.
Yes.
But the difference, this one is like a regular one. It's
Okay.
like color white, while this one is like a tinted sunscreen.
Okay, sure. Sure. And then for other customer, how you can contact?
So you can contact us at our Facebook page. It's called Hiraya Kyla Store.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.